Let's make lemon balm popsicles. Making popsicles are easy and they are quite versatile. Popsicles are a great way to take your herbs in the summertime. You can use a single herb, mix herbs together, or even add fruit. To make popsicles, I will start by making a tea. I have some dried lemon balm, though fresh will work too. I also have a quart jar and a metal spoon to keep the jar from breaking, and some boiling water. I also have some popsicle molds to pour the tea into later. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of dried herbs or 1 tablespoon of fresh for every cup of water. I'm making a quart of tea today, so I'm adding 4 teaspoons. Now I'm going to add boiling water to the tea. I'll let this steep until it cools completely. Now that the tea has cooled, I'll strain off the herbs and start filling my popsicle molds. Once all the molds are filled, I'll put them in the freezer until they're frozen solid. This can take several hours depending on your popsicle molds. Once they are frozen, it's time to enjoy them. Have fun making your herbal popsicles and be creative in the flavors you come up with.